Alright, welcome to Nothing Pretty Brick Tutorials. This series will cover the most absolute fundamental steps for a quality top rock style. Two-step, front step, side step spreads. Front step is basically a two-step except that you're stepping in front of your other foot instead of next to it. A lot of people learn to step past their front foot, and that's just incorrect. That's more of a variation and a style preference. Pick your foot up and in a straight line strike it down directly in front of the other foot. From the side it'll look like this. When you're first learning, you really want to keep everything casual, so don't go too far in front. Also notice my shoulders stay over my back foot. Meanwhile, you're going to put a lot of pressure on your front foot, and so that's why that back knee kind of bends. Now you really want to push through the ground with the front of your foot, the ball of your foot as they call it. And when you do it quickly, and you get used to that, you do it quickly, it's going to just look like you're flat-footed, but you're not. Unless you're fooling around, don't keep your arms stiff. Please do something, anything with them. As a beginner, while you step forward, just draw from the chest and imagine you're pulling apart something really fibrous or sticky. And do that a lot. Practice that a lot, and you're going to find yourself getting really clean in the way you want to look and the way you expect to look.